Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here, welcome back to the channel for another update on GALA Games. So wow, I know Bitcoin and the altcoin market is getting hit hard today, but GALA Games is down 20%. Let's dive right into the content. So we've been predicting this for quite some time now. We've been warning you that we are getting ready for that breakdown. In our last video, we highlighted this chart over here, and we were talking about the fact that we were breaking beneath some pretty significant supports, namely the 618 Fibonacci, and also we were developing this brutal M pattern and we were beneath the neckline. This is why in our most recent videos we were saying, only 4 days ago we were saying you are being warned, GALA Games is flirting with death, 1 cent is programmed, we're heading down to these price targets in my opinion still. If we do a quick update on this chart over here, you can literally see in the past day what has happened. We came down to the 786 Fibonacci, we closed beneath it. It's kind of hard to see unless I zoom in. We closed just underneath the 618 Fibonacci and we rocketed to the downside. Now, this is for a plethora of different reasons. Really, this has been baked into the charts for a while now, but of course, with the SEC coming out and suing Coinbase and Binance, listing a bunch of different altcoins that they deem are securities, the markets did not like this whatsoever, and this is why we're seeing altcoins get hit very hard, especially GALA Games. GALA Games, from its wick today, was only about 14% away from making new bear market lows. So yeah, I just wanted to get a quick update out and let you know, in terms of the weekly time frame, we're now below everything. We're beneath bull market support bands, EMA ribbons, moving averages. Even if we're drawing from the low to the highs like we just talked about, the 618 is done, the 786 Fibonacci is done. And I mean, come on, if we reset this chart, come over to the daily time frame even, forget the weekly time frame. Where is the support to the downside right now? I mean, look at where we are and look at how quickly we went on a parabolic run once GALA established its current bear market lows at 1.5 cent. As soon as those lows were established, we just went on a rocket to the upside. There is no support and resistance at all built within these ranges. This is why GALA Games is very likely over the next week to get continuation back down to the downside. In terms of the volume profiles, if we're looking at the weekly time frame, there's a small, very, very small cluster of support right here. It's kind of a little bit hard to see if I zoom in. You can see the profile starts around about here and finishes round about here. So this is why we're trading within this zone right now. If we come over to the 4-hour time frame, look at that. This is the next area of volume on the chart. And as you can see, we wick down to the bottom of it and we're just trading within this small cluster right now. So basically what I'm highlighting is as soon as you see GALA Games take out the low that it made today at 1.8 cent, expect continuation. I'm expecting for this M pattern we've been pointing out on the channel right here to get hit. The price target of this is down at 1.45 cent. That's really all I've got for you, ladies and gentlemen. If you do look at my GALA videos, I've been warning you about this move for quite some time. In the past month specifically, we've made videos ranging from 12 minutes, 20-minute long videos on GALA Games, letting you know this type of move was coming. There's not much to update now. All there is to update is the next macro moves to the downside. As you can see, this beautiful bar pattern is coming into fruition. I do just want to quickly highlight though, if we do once again look at the weekly time frame, this is why I'm expecting more continuation. In previous fractals for GALA, we've established, we've broken into a bear market, we've established bear market lows, right? We make an M pattern. Once you break beneath the floorboards, you rocket to the downside. Over here, you make bear market lows, you form an M pattern. As soon as you lose it over here, you rocket to the downside. If we clear up the chart, right here, you can see these are your bear market lows. This, somewhere around about here was your neckline. And as you can see, M pattern once again, and we are rocketing down. Based on all of these fractals, the meltdown beneath bear market lows has not even started yet. Once we break beneath 1.5 cent, we should really start going parabolic. And the reason why we're probably just going to move so quickly to the downside from now on is what I've been highlighting in all my videos. We've been looking at this chart and we've been talking about the volume profiles, and we highlight within these white boxes, there's a lot of data traded. And when you are in areas where there's lots of data traded, especially where you can see this red line here, this is the POC, the point of control, where the most amount of volume was traded. You can see within this example, once you break down, you landslide through the red boxes, you spend ages, absolutely ages trading within this red box. And within this white box rather. And as soon as you break beneath the support of this volume profile and you move into an area where there's not much liquidity, you have knee-jerk reactions down, knee-jerk reactions up. We're breaking to the downside of this right now. This is not a surprise why we're seeing this knee-jerk reaction back down. And based on all these fractals that we've got for GALA Games, the breakdown is really only just getting started, and it's going to start getting crazy once we break beneath 1.5 cent and we come down to 1 cent, the price target, which I've been highlighting on this channel for absolutely ages now. This is based on multiple different things. Really, we're just looking at the macro charts right now because this is all we've got left. In the lower time frames, all the small charts that we used to run on GALA, they're done. The range low SFP, we've broken beneath the downside of these range lows. There's no point in looking at oscillators, you know, everything, all of these charts that we normally look at. Really no need to look at them right now. As we've been talking about GALA BTC, leading indicator for GALA USD. This is broken down into new bear market lows. And on the channel, we've been talking about the very fact that altcoin BTC pairs are leading indicators of their USD pairs. You can clearly see GALA USD had a parabolic rally. GALA BTC had a parabolic rally. GALA USD was just chopping and not really breaking down too much. GALA BTC was melting to the downside. This is why we were saying be careful. Alt BTC pairs are leading indicators. If this keeps on breaking down, the Alt USD pair will break down. And this is what we're seeing. This is no surprise. Bear in mind today, the GALA BTC pair has rocketed into new bear market lows and it is not looking good. So for all these reasons, my friends, for the Elliott wave theory, all of these, you know, macro A, B, C moves that we've been looking at on the channel, expecting new lows. In terms of the Fibonacci's price targets of bearish patterns that we've just highlighted down at 1.5 cent. This is where I think we're going in the immediate short term, but bear in mind, my bear market prediction is absolutely unchanged. This chart has remained unmoved for absolutely ages now. We've been looking at this since the swing low up to this swing high, and we've been letting you know GALA is getting ready to break down to this 1.618 Fibonacci. Since our last video, we're down about 33%. So things are still playing out as we expect. I'm still expecting for GALA to come down for one final bear market low, round about 1 cent. 1 cent is a huge level of support. It's a psychological price target. There's listing prices down here. It's a 1.618 Fibonacci extension. A lot of interest will be had at 1 cent, but nonetheless, we do have other Fibonacci's we do need to be privy of at 0.0042 cent. Is this my price prediction for right now? No, we're sticking with our guns like we have done for the past few months. When everyone was getting euphoric on this rally, we were waiting for this reversion to the mean to take place, and now we're breaking down. Our price targets at 1 cent are looking like they are coming sooner rather than later. So for today, my friends, that is all I've got for GALA Games. If you have been enjoying these GALA Games updates, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to smash that like button, help get these videos trending. If you want to further support the channel, feel free to click the join button on YouTube and become a member today. Follow me over on Twitter at 618_Cowboy. That's all I've got. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.